Tell me about yourself. Ito yung pinakamadaling tanong na naririnig natin during the interview pero pag actual na.
Hi, thanks for replying. Why do you want this job?
Ang hirap sagutin kasi may tendency ngang mawala yung mga English na nakatago sa atin. I'm sorry?
Why do you want the job?
I want the job because I need money. Number one reason dyan ay kaba. Normal lang yan, pero kung mangingibabaw ang kaba, kahit qualified ka sa position na pinag-a-applyan mo at may experience ka, sinasabi ko sa'yo, may tendency hindi ka makapasok dahil interview is the first impression ng client sa inyo.
Alright, thanks. We'll be in touch.
Ha? Sorry? We'll be in touch? Like, we will touch each other?
No, it means we'll contact you later.
Kaya sa video na to is we are going to do an actual mock interview at testingin natin ang GreatOffer.ai. So it is an AI interview assistant na kung saan makakatulong ito sa pag-organize ng mga answers natin during the practice or sa mismong interview ninyo. Yes, real time. Kaya naman I want you to stay with me until the end of this video dahil i-share ko sa inyo kung paano natin to isi-set up. Okay, so right now, nandito tayo sa kanilang website and sabi dito, your real-time AI interview coach for job seekers. And if you would like to explore their website, you can just refer to the link in the description box below. Here, you can continue using your Google account or Facebook. Okay, so makikita natin dito merong mga steps na kailangan nating sundin kasi syempre, si AI, magbabase siya ng mga answers niya depending on our background. That's why, ang unang step dito is i-upload natin ang ating resume. Click natin tong upload. File upload. Ayan. So ito guys, in-upload ko na yung resume ko and you have to check the content here. Double check nyo guys, no? Ayan. Next is, mag-a-add tayo ng mga roles na pinag-a-applyan natin. So let's try to use this job post right here. So once everything's okay, ayan. So nakapag-add na ako ng job role. Next is, ang sabi dito is mag-subscribe. Pero do not worry kasi gagamitin natin to for free. Meron naman silang free trial. Yes, we can take advantage of their free trial para ma-test out muna natin, di ba? And for the fourth step is we are going to do the interview. Okay, so this one is a mock interview, guys. And we are going to test out GreatOffer.ai kung okay ba talaga siyang gamitin during the actual interview. So by the way pala guys, GreatOffer.ai is available sa Apple devices and also sa Windows. So ito guys, ang offer nila is private on-screen kasi di ba may mga interview lalo na if related sa coding, hindi nakikita yung app during the screen share. So, di ba, okay siya. And right here, I have launched the downloaded application here. And ang sabi dito is kailangan i-grant natin lahat ng mga requests like yung microphone access, screen capture, and system audio. So, ito na yung hitsura niya, guys. Di ba? So, nakikita ninyo na nade-detect niya real-time yung mga naka-capture niyang sound sa device ninyo. Kaya ngayon is we are going to do a mock interview. And sige, start tayo. So, gawa muna tayo ng mock interview na wala itong si GreatOffer. Like, yung raw answer natin para makita natin yung difference.
Hi, Giselle. Can you introduce yourself and share why you're interested in this role?
It's a pleasure to meet you. And yes, once again, my name is Giselle. I have experience in content creation and social media. I am interested in this position because I believe I can use my experience and I also want to learn more.
Great, thank you.
So guys, doon sa interview a while ago, organic answer ko yun. Okay naman siya, pero sobrang plain and very common yung ganong respond. Ang gusto sana natin is yung tatatak tayo sa isipan ng hiring manager or ng client. So this time is we are going to use GreatOffer.ai.
Can you give one example of a result you're proud of?
Yeah, one result I'm really proud of is growing my YouTube channel to 654,000 subscribers. I did that by being consistent with content planning, editing, thumbnails, and audience engagement. That experience taught me how strong storytelling and platform-focused content can build trust and real community over time, which is a big reason this role stands out to me.
That's clear and concrete. Thanks. Let's move on.
So, nakakatuwa pa, yung interview a while ago is naka-record siya dito sa ating dashboard. So, ayan siya guys, recorded lahat. And I'm actually impressed, no, with GreatOffer is offering. So actually guys, GreatOffer.ai has a lot of offers pa na hindi ko na-feature during this video. Kasi makikita ninyo dito sa video nila sa kanilang website, meron pa silang mga ganyang feature like yung mga coding system na kung saan yung interviewer is gusto niya mag-share screen ka at papanoorin ka niya na mag-code. So, isa rin yun sa mga magagamit natin dito sa GreatOffer.ai. Pwede nyo rin siyang pagpraktisan gaya ng ginawa ko. Kasi, di ba, using AI is magagawa mo na talaga lahat. So yeah, I think this platform is worth a try. Subukan ninyo to guys, lalong-lalo na sa inyong mga nag-a-apply ng trabaho. So once again guys, you can click the link in the description box below. Para ma-avail nyo yung free trial, hindi nyo kailangan mag-input ng payment method in advance. Kaya go guys, at ma-experience ninyo yung mismong platform nila. So there you go guys, and thank you so much for watching this video, and kung na-enjoy nyo ito, give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa aking mga uploads. So have a nice day, God bless, and goodbye!